In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a table of content in Google Docs. It is super simple. So first of all, what you need to do is go into Google Docs, open up your project, and then you need to highlight your headlines. Then you need to go up to here and click in heading 1, heading 2, or heading 3. You can also see that up here how it is going to look like. This one is a headline 1. This one is a headline 2, and this one is a headline 3. So to make a table of content, you simply need to make a new page. You can do that by clicking Command and Enter. And as you can see, now all of your text has gone down a page and a new page has popped up. From here, you can go up to Insert. You can need to go down here to Table of Content, and you can choose between one of these three. You can choose the plain text, the dotted, or the links. I'm just going to click the plain text. And as you can see here, I just delete this. And as you can see here, now you have made a table of content. And to select and go down straight to that page, you just need to head up to the page that you want to go to and click in here. And as you can see, now it is on chapter 1. And just do it with chapter 2 too. Like so. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!